Hi everyone. I decided I would do another question for you on that first problem in math for multiplying with your base 10. So I decided to do the last one because all three place values pass the decimal. The tenths, hundredths, and thousandths place values are being used here. So I decided I would try to do this one as well in case anybody has problems with just drawing the blocks. So for this one, we have 408 thousandths, and we're going to multiply that by 2. So I'm going to draw that out just like I did the last one. Okay, so there's my picture. I did 2 equal groups and I did 408,000. So I did 4 flats. I don't have any cubes, any large cubes to draw here. So I did my 4 flats for 4 tenths. I don't have any hundredths here, so you're not going to see any rods in my picture. But you do have 8,000. So I just draw those little X's as my units. So now I have to put them together, just like I did the last question. I want to combine these to get the product. So if I was doing some estimation here, I'm less than a half here. So 4 tenths is less than a half. So my answer is not going to be more than 1. So I shouldn't have to draw a big cube here, which makes sense because I don't. I only have 4 and I need 10 to draw a large cube. So I'm going to leave those as is, but I do have some regrouping here with my thousandths. So I'm going to take 10 thousandths and build a rod. So you can see that I took 10 of my units there. So I took 8 and then 2 more, and I put them together and I built a rod. I actually took everything and kind of brought it out just so it's easier to look at. You don't have to do it this way, but I just find when I look at it all in one spot, it's easier to look at. So I have 8 flats, 1 rod that I built with my units, and then my 6 units remaining. So I now can turn this into a number rather than just a picture. So I have 8 tenths, 100th, and 6 thousandths. So I'm going to write my answer up here. So 0 and 816 thousandths. And that's the answer for the last one in question 1, in part 1.